Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to edit background with Picsart application. So the first thing that you will need to do is to go to the store of your smartphone. Either you can go to Play Store if you have an Android, or you can just go to the App Store if you have an iOS phone. So now basically we need to download the Picsart software or app. So we go to the search field and search for Picsart. So basically we go here, we search for it, and then we will need to click on this icon, and then you will need to click on get or download, depends on the store that you are using. We click on get, then you will need to confirm and add your password, etc. And after that we are going to wait for the app to download. So basically now we are just going to wait for it to download, and those are like the informations or all the infos concerning this application. So basically after the download and the installation has finished, we need to go to our application. So we are going to click on it, and now we will need to wait until it opens. And as you can see, you can just allow the track or other things. So let's go here, and now we will need to create an account, or we can just log in on one of these accounts like Google, Facebook, or Snapchat, or Apple accounts. So if you want to create your account with email, just click on create an account, or you can just sign in with your Google account. You click on continue, you choose the account that you want to connect with, you add your informations, and then you will be able to use this application. So for the moment, let's just skip by clicking on this X at the corner. We click on it, and now we will be able to use the application. So all it remains to do now is to follow these simple steps. And now all you need to do is to choose an image that you want, and now we are going to the tools, selections, and now we are going to select. After this we are just going to select only the background. We click on the background, and as you can see it selected the background for our image or our picture. So you can just cut the image, for example cut the background, and now they are two different layers. And now you can add, just click on apply, for example, and you can do whatever you want on the thing or the background, or you can just go back and start like editing and adding, for example, effects. As you can see, you can effect this layer. You can add some adjustments, like other color adjustment like the lightning, contrast, etc. Then you are just going to click on apply, and you click on apply, and as you can see it didn't affect our object or our image. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.